This is how I spent New Year's Eve 2019. I booked a local Thai cooking class with Lana Smile Thai Cooking, which included a tour of Thanin Market, also known as Siriwatanna Market. And I honestly couldn't have asked for a better ending for 2019.
Okay, we're gonna have the same salt. This is sauce or thin soy sauce like a liquid, but this will be very thick, like chocolate, because it's made from the thin soy sauce here, mixed with molasses syrup. Yeah, that's sweet and salty. So fun. I'm gonna let you guess. Do you think which one is the most spiciest one? 1, 2, 3. Which one? Smaller one. Yeah, 10 point. Smallest one is the hottest one. We call bird eye. Why is it bird eye?
I think I could visit this market every single day and still not run out of new food options to try. I really love the similarities between Naga cuisine and that of Northern Thailand. It's just uncanny. The palette, the flavors, it's all there. I mean, it felt like home.
Hello everybody, so today is New Year Eve, so Happy New Year!
Here we are with Pim and Nim, the two lovely instructors of Lana Smile Thai Cooking, and by looking at them you could never tell that they've been working since morning. They teach multiple classes a day with 9-10 people per batch. I think that's an average, but they still have so much energy and they show no signs of exhaustion.
So no taste, just the color. White one here, bean sprout. Green one, garlic chive. And this, you get pickled radish, chaipo, and dry baby shrimp. Chicken egg, the same thing. Okay, and after that, everybody, see over there in the middle of the table, garlic and chili. So chili we're gonna put in drunken noodle, garlic in every dishes. Yeah, so you need garlic. This one is Thai garlic, it's very small one. And how about this? Oyster. But the one that you say is this one, dark soy sauce. The texture is really close, but it's thick. This one almost like chocolate. The color is darker. This is a room temperature water, and then I told you for 2 types of sugar, right? What it is? Brown sugar. And how about this?
Palm sugar.
Palm sugar.
And here's me showing off some serious knife skills. Yes, I did not angle the camera properly, but I got a video, so okay.
Close about the taste, but why we use different type of sugar? We need the texture. So this way you get thick noodle already, you need dry sugar. This way you get dry noodle, you need thick sugar. That's why.
Okay.
First, green and then you get this one. Cilantro, coriander, root. If you cannot get the root, you can use the stem here. But remember, don't use the leaf because the leaf is green taste and the color is so green. So it's not good for the curry. This for green panang. And then green curry, green chili. Panang and khao soy get the red chili. Everybody get this one, red onion, lemongrass, Pandan and green, you get this one, galanga or the hard ginger. Let's show you the hard ginger one. Everybody get this one. Turmeric. Turmeric, just make the color, balance the color. Green khao soy, get this one. Khao soy. Finger ginger. Finger root, your finger ginger.
Green curry.
So, and one last thing.
Green.
The lime peel.
Okay,
Here, lime. You remember in your soup? In your soup, I let you see the leaf and you think like it's a person leaf or like coffee lime. That one is a lime leaf. I will let you smell this one again.
Okay. In the plate,
Coffee lime is not the same like a normal lime. You see, it looks different and the taste also different. Coffee lime skin, the taste sour. So we don't use juice. We don't use skin sour. So we skin for cooking here. But the juice bitter. So we don't use the juice for cooking. Different from normal lime. Lime juice we use it for cooking, but sour. Lime skin we don't use it because it's bitter.
I kind of love the way she made it a point to explain every single ingredient and not just jumping straight to the cooking. We had a really good understanding of each component, so that was a good experience.
One is sweet. So this curry is gonna be like the green color and it tastes quite really sweet. Penang is half Thai fusion with Malaysian. Penang. Sorry, we don't have a Thai name. We just call it Penang. This khao soy. Actually, the original in the past it's from Burmese, like Burmese food, Myanmar. That's why this one gonna taste like pretty close like.
So the texture and flavor achieved by hand grinding spices, I don't know, it's more wholesome, I guess. So here we are. No pain, no gain. And I think we all did a great job. And here's me being ambidextrous and using both my right and left hand. Your girl's got some serious skills.
Thai cilantro, green onion, spring onion. And then other thing you get tomato, lime, onion. This is oyster mushroom. This is lemongrass, galanga, the hard ginger, and then coffee lime leaves. And then for the meat, hot and sour roasted chicken, you get chicken marinade with oyster sauce, coriander seed, and white pepper. Chicken with coconut milk, you get plain chicken. Hot and sour prawn, you get shrimp, you get prawns. And then
The entire course must have taken a little over 4 hours, including market tour, the cooking, and the eating. We must have learned about 5 courses because there were appetizers, soups, noodles, curries, and desserts. I mean, just how pretty is this mango sticky rice platter? Overall, it was pretty jam-packed, but well worth the time, and I wouldn't mind doing it again just to brush up on what I've learned, or maybe pick up a few new dishes. The best part would be polishing off everything we learned, everything we cooked, that went straight to the belly. And we're off to Nimman area, the trendiest part of Chiang Mai. You could try the pork leg with rice. It tastes way better than it looks. And while you're there, you could experiment with seafood, which is available in so many forms, you know, like raw, grilled, cooked, you name it. I went for the squid salad, and though it does not look that appetizing, it was surprisingly tender and tasty. I loved it. Also, avocados and milk. Can you name a better combination? I'm sorry, I love avocados. I'm partial to it. getting back to the food, there's like rows and rows of stalls as far as the eye can see. And this is just one night market, you know. Chiang Mai is filled with night markets, and you can just find one at any corner, at every corner. At one point of time, you might go, ugh, I've had enough. I don't want to see any more food. I'm so full. But trust me, that feeling doesn't last. Maybe 4 or 5 minutes. And then all those aromas will come flirting with your senses and make your mouth water involuntarily. Good luck. And for the adventurous kind, there is crocodile meat in the offering, but I wouldn't encourage it because I don't want people killing crocodiles just for the meat. They are worth so much more alive to us, to the environment, and we're already eating everything there is. Just leave them alone already.